Hey everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. Today I'm working on the July Club Couture, which will be available for sale July 1st. I'm cutting the pieces apart and labeling the backs, and then I'll get ready to put it on the t-shirt. Now this t-shirt I got, it had a pocket on it and I didn't want it, so I took it off, and in doing so I had a small hole on the top where the pocket was. So I took a patch and used a butterfly punch, and cut it out and put it on there and covered it up. You wouldn't even know if I didn't tell you. This transfer is really easy. I did it all in one color in white. And after this dries, then I'm putting the layer on it, the rays around the, and the trees on top of the begins. It's easy peasy. Anybody can do this one. You just got to be patient and let it dry. So if you enjoyed this video and you would like to do more of these or become a designer like me, just go to cherriecriswell.chatcouture.com. I'm loving this stuff, and it is so fun and so easy. There it is, all done. All ready to wear. Thanks so much for stopping by. It's always fun. Bye.